Ito yung holiday vlog. It's so loud in here. I don't know if naririnig ako, but today we bought some small gift for our exchange gift. Right? So, yan. Ito siya. And bumili din kami ng dalawang blind box na capybara. And each kami, mag-unbox kami right now. Hintayin ko lang siya mag-retouch. Open na. Later, I will show you guys kung anong binili ko. Exchange gift.
Nanginginig na talaga.
Ito na lang ah.
Alin yung sa'yo?
This.
Yung kasi pocket na yun.
So guys, ito siya. So nabili namin sa Mr. Ito yung blind box. And it's so cute as you can see. And ano yung mga makukuha natin? May nakalagay. Okay, so ito yung mga possible namin makuha. So ang nakalagay dito, it contains 2 styles. So meron tayong solid color, which is this. Solid color, and the transparent one, which is glows in the dark. So I'm really excited
Gusto ko
about
yung may
this.
color. Gusto ko makuha yung ano.
Okay, let's
Sa'yo.
Parang gusto ko glow in the dark.
At gusto ko makuha to.
Tsaka gusto ko itong may strawberry.
Ako rin. Parang advance lang. Tara.
Okay. Okay.
Feel ko yan yung nakuha ko.
Parang ang liit lang. Lipaw kayo. I'm wishing na hindi kami pares. Okay, let's go. Close your eyes, close your eyes. Wait lang, feel muna natin. Oh my gosh, feeling ko sa'yo. Oh my gosh. Ito to. Oh! Talaga, nakuha ko yung may cupcake. Ay, is it cupcake? I don't know, but it's so cute. Kasya natin sila dito. Ay, hindi sila kita.
Ate, nakuha ko yung nasa balde.
Guys, this is so cute. I love it. So nice. And ang liit lang pala niya. Hindi ko na-expect kasi. This is the box. Box comparison. Yan. I like it. And guys, this is my mirror. By the way, this is my mirror. It's capybara. This
Akin yung nasa balde.
so nice. So, we're we're waiting for our food. So guys, papakita ko na din sa inyo yung exchange gift ko. So this is just a small exchange gift within my family. And okay, display na lang natin. And this is what I bought for my brother. Since siya yung nakuha ko nung nag-spin the wheel kami. And I really don't know if naririnig ako.
Siniklo ko lang.
I really don't know if naririnig ako kasi ang dami ko na sinasabi kanina. So this is the first one. It's so cute. It's squishy and also oh my god. And also pwede din siyang stress ball. Of course, if this is stress, you can use it. It's so open ko siya dito, pero ayan na siya. And this is the second one. Kuya loves this. Kaya ito yung pinili ko. He really loves this character from Toy Story, si Lotso. And this is the hamster na squishy. I'm sure na magugustuhan niyo ito. And then, I got a cute paper bag.
Same sa kinuha.
This is so nice. I like it. So, let's try. Ilalagay na natin siya ngayon kasi hindi niya pwedeng makita to when we get home. So, this is the paper bag and this is the gift. This is mine.
Yawa.
Ayan. So, open muna natin to so I can show you guys.
Di ba nakasi...
Oh my gosh, parang gusto ko na ito.
Hindi siya mag-pay attention.
Later kami. Look at this. It's so, oh my goodness. It's so chubby and wiggly. Look at that. Look at that. Wait. Okay, so. And this is the second one. I'm really sure magustuhan niyo siya. This is actually a brooch. For my exchange gift. And for the exchange gift. And this is mine. Happy. It's so cute. It's so cute.
Ouch, hindi pala yung iba pa yung nakuha ko.
Yay. Ang ganda niya. Ang cute niya.
Tinan mo sa akin.
Tingnan mo kasi, oh. Wala, magugustuhan talaga niya to. Ayan guys, kasyang-kasya sa salon. Kawawa naman siya. And then, parang malalak na siya. Yan, lock na.
Guys, bibili mo na ang pagkain.
And this is my gift for my brother on Christmas. So,
Ko kaya ate guys sa'yo.
are you ready? Okay. Ano bigyan na natin?
Si ate.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. What is this? Good. Bye. Okay, let's open and 1, 2, 3, go. Pag-next mo yan. Wow. Natatawa na alam niya kami niya.